Topic 7. Who gets a trademark? A trademark can be obtained by anyone. As an individual, you can use your name and create a trademark, provided that your name is very unique. If it's a generic name like Vijay or Prakash, definitely you cannot get a trademark. But if your name is very, very unique, you may be successful in getting a trademark. Otherwise, you get a weaker trademark. Like for example, Sachin Tendulkar, because of his long-standing reputation, can tomorrow go and say that I want to have Sachin Tendulkar as trademark, and it may be granted. A trademark can be obtained by a business or a charity organization alike. Even a temple can also have its own trademark. Osho is a very a big example where they have used Osho as a trademark for the community services. So Osho community has Osho trademark. Domain name, it becomes very, very important where companies, they sometimes use the similar sounding domain name to confuse customers. In initial days, it was a challenge. A famous story goes about McDonald's.com. A famous journalist actually registered the name www.mcdonalds.com. McDonald's realized that later, but they were late. The journalist said that I wanted to prove a point, and he asked McDonald's to pay some good amount for charity purposes, and he released the domain name to McDonald's. I remember a similar case where one of our trainers in US, he had gone and reserved the name www.tcs.com, and he said that once your management is aware about this, I'm going to give this domain to them for free. But this is to make you aware that domain name need to be registered as quickly as possible. This was in year 2002. Now the authorities and governments have become very, very particular. So they prevent any such attempts of taking away the domain names of famous corporations or famous entities. In India, we had case of Arun Jaitley. Somebody went ahead and registered a domain name arunjaitley.com, and Arun Jaitley had to go to court to prevent this company from doing so. So let us recap the main points here. So domain name can be obtained by anyone, and that's the reason you will have cases where there will be a clash. And how to what is the underlying principle there? So the underlying principle is that whenever any two trademarks are very similar and yet they do not create confusion in mind of customer, then the both parties can continue to use the similar sounding trademarks. Like for example, Amul butter and Amul underwear. You have seen Amul underwear advertisement. Now, Amul is a well-known brand for milk products, but that doesn't prevent anybody from selecting that name for selling underwear because it is a different product category. And that's the reason many times you find a very large corporation will create some product so that nobody else can copy them. So Amul can take a protection that Amul also starts selling their undergarments, but they don't sell it everywhere. They just keep one shop and they will say that we are also in that business, and hence nobody can even use this trademark for selling underwear. A famous case is on Nandini Dairy and Nandini Restaurants. Both are in city of Bangalore. Nandini is a well-known milk supplier, and Nandini Restaurant is in the business of providing food and stay. The case went up to Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said that first is that the logos of both the companies are distinctly different. The customer cannot get confused by seeing the logo. Second is both the companies are in different business. So there is a very little chance that customers will get confused, and hence both the companies, they can continue using the Nandini trademark in same city. This principle is applied to websites also. Nissan Computers and Nissan Motors. They are a totally unrelated business, but the name is Nissan, and hence they both can use it. And that is where again selection of a arbitrary and fanciful trademark is very very important. Domain name registration and mischiefs, we spoke about it. People have gone ahead and registered Bisleri.com, which was a well known brand of Parle products. And Parle had to go to court to say that Bisleri means a product which is well known and they have been manufacturing that since years, and hence this domain name should not be registered. We talk about arunjetli.com. Then people have gone ahead and they have been very creative. They have put Microsoft.com with zero in place of O. So these are the then people have gone ahead and registered HDFCBankCorp.com. So these are the mischief which people have done. But now the domain name registries have become much smarter, and all this kind of mischiefs are being seen less. One of the very famous case in India was Yahoo versus YahooIndia.com, or Sifi versus Satyam Infoway. So these are the domain name registration mischiefs used to happen, but now this is a less possibility. So important thing to remember here is that when you get a trademark, either as an individual as a business, the trademark will remain in the name of owner, but you can license it. And when you license it, licensed owner will enjoy same rights which as a owner you enjoy. And this trademark you can give it for specific period and you can take it back. And on this the entire model of franchisee and licensing works. So you can have your franchisee, let them use your trademark for certain number of years, and then they can, if that business arrangement doesn't work, you can even take back that trademark. When company takeover happens, trademarks are also transferred, or sometimes the trademark is sold separately and company is sold separately. This also happens where trademark has a very large commercial value. This trademark registration, what you get, is valid for 10 years, and then you can keep on renewing it. One important part is that trademark has nothing to do with business running or not. Even if your business is not running, but you have registered a trademark, still it is your trademark. You own a right over it. So this is one very important distinction, that you, whenever you are selecting a trademark, you cannot say that the business is not functional and hence I am authorized to use that trademark. That is not so. So with this, we go to the next micro session.